A quick session on the Indian National Congress, its various sessions, precedents, and important outcomes. Indian National Congress was established or founded at Bombay in December 1885. A retired British official A.O. Hume played a crucial part in its foundation. It was decided to rotate the Congress session among different parts of the country. The president belonged to a region other than where the Congress session was being held. Early nationalist leaders and the exceptional minds of that time like Dadabhai Nauroji, Firoz Shah Mehta, Badruddin Tayyabji and W.C. Banerjee and many other extraordinary personalities of that time were the founders of Indian National Congress. According to its strategy and goals with the changing time, the timeline of the Indian National Congress has been divided into four phases. The first phase is considered from 1885 to 1904 and is called as moderate phase. The second is from 1905 to 1918 and it is called national movement. From 1918 to 1927 it was era of mass nationalism. From 1927 to 1947 it was Purna Swaraj. The first session of Indian National Congress was held at Bombay in 1885, presided by W.C. Banerjee and secretary was A.O. Hume. It was attended by 72 delegates. Objectives of the Congress outlined. At the time of the first session of the INC, Lord Dufferin was the viceroy. In 1886, Congress session was held at Calcutta. President was Dadabhai Nauroji. Important outcomes: merger of National Congress and National Conference. Decided to set up provincial Congress committees. 1887, Congress session was held at Madras. President was Sayyid Badruddin Tayyabji, first Muslim president of INC. Allahabad session 1888, first English president of INC George Yule. 1889 Bombay session, second English president Sir William Wedderburn. Although third English president was Alfred Webb. 1896 Calcutta session, President Rahimatullah Sayani. National song Vande Mataram sung for the first time by Rabindranath Tagore. 1899 Lucknow session, President Ramesh Chandra Dutt. Congress demanded that the British government put a stop to drain of wealth from India to England that had been taking place as a result of colonial rule. Demand for permanent fixation of land revenue. 1901 Calcutta session, Dinshaw-e-Wacha. First time Mahatma Gandhi appeared on the Congress platform. He urged the Congress to support the struggle against racial discrimination and exploitation in the country. 1905 Banaras session. Here the national movement phase begins. It will continue till 1918. President was Gopal Krishna Gokhale. Formal proclamation of Swadeshi movement against government, against Bengal partition. Division between the moderates led by Gopal Krishna Gokhale and Surendranath Banerjee and the extremists led by Bal Gangadhar Tilak came to the force in this session. 1906 Calcutta session, Dadabhai Nauroji. The word Swaraj mentioned for the first time. Boycott movement, Swadeshi and national education were the important issues in this session. 1907 Surat session, also famous as Surat split. President was Ras Bihari Ghosh. Split in the INC into the moderates and extremists. 1908 Madras session, President Ras Bihari Ghosh. Constitution of the Congress drawn. 1909 Lahore session, President Madan Mohan Malviya. Disapproval over separate electorates of Morley-Minto reforms or 1909 Indian Council Act. Calcutta session 1915, Bishan Narayan Dhar was the president. Outcomes or details of this session: Constitution of Congress was altered to admit the delegates from the extremist section. 1916 Lucknow session. Ambika Charan Majumdar was the president. Lucknow Pact was signed. Joint session with the Muslim League. It was only joint session with Muslim League. Calcutta session 1917. President was Annie Besant, first women president of the INC. And now it is 1918 and era of mass nationalism. The third phase starts here. 1918 witnesses two Congress sessions. First at Bombay, which was held in August, and second in Delhi, which was held in December. Bombay session was a special session convened to deliberate the contentious Montagu-Chelmsford reforms scheme. Bombay session was presided by Sayyid Hassan Imam and Delhi session was presided by Madan Mohan Malviya. 1919 Amritsar session. Motilal Nehru was the president. Jallianwala Bagh massacre strongly condemned. Congress extended support to the Khilafat movement. 1920 witnesses two Congress sessions. First was the special session held at Calcutta. President was Lala Lajpat Rai. Congress approved a non-cooperation program. And the second session of 1920 was held at Nagpur. President was C. Vijaya Raghavacharya. Goal of attainment of self-government through constitutional means shifted to have the attainment of Swaraj through peaceful and legitimate means. Important organizational changes in Congress at national and provincial and local levels. 1922 Gaya session. President C.R. Das and other leaders broke away from INC. Formation of Swaraj Party. 1924 Belgaum session. President was Mahatma Gandhi. Only session presided by Mahatma Gandhi. 1925 Kanpur session. President Sarojini Naidu. First Indian women president of INC. Now it is 1927 and the fourth phase, that is Purna Swaraj, begins from here. 1927 session was held at Madras. President was M.A. Ansari. Passed a resolution against boycott of Simon Commission. Passed a resolution against the use of Indian troops in China, Iran and Mesopotamia. 1928 Calcutta session. President was Motilal Nehru. Congress gave the British a warning that a civil disobedience movement would start if India was not granted Dominion status by December 31, 1929. Formation of All India Youth Congress. 1929 Lahore session. Presided by Jawaharlal Nehru. Complete independence or Purna Swaraj was declared as the aim of Congress. January 26, 1930 was fixed as the first independence or Swaraj Day. The round table conference was to be boycotted. 1931 Karachi session. Presided by Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Delhi Pact or Gandhi-Irwin Pact was endorsed. Two resolutions were adopted, one on fundamental rights and the other on National Economic Program. 1934 Bombay session. Presided by Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Changes in the Congress Constitution. Delegates were to be elected at the rate of 1 per every 500 primary members, thereby making them representatives of the people. 1936 witnesses two sessions, Lucknow session and Faizpur session, presided by the same President Jawaharlal Nehru, who urged the Congress to adopt socialism as its goal. The important fact about Faizpur session is that the session held in a village for the first time. 1938 Haripura session. Subhash Chandra Bose was the president. Resolution adopted that the Congress should give moral support to those who were agitating against the governance in the princely states. National Planning Committee set up under Jawaharlal Nehru. 1939 Tripuri session. Rajendra Prasad took over as president after Subhash Chandra Bose resigned. Subhash Chandra Bose formed Forward Bloc. 1940 Ramgarh Session, presided by Abul Kalam Azad. Civil disobedience movement to be launched at appropriate time and circumstances. Point to be noted, Abul Kalam Azad was the longest serving president of INC before the freedom of India. After 1940, the Congress session held in 1946 at Meerut. President was J.V. Kriplani. Last session before independence. This was the last session of INC before independence. From 1885 to 1946, almost each year Congress had its session, with some exceptions. Those exceptions are mentioned here. 1930 Region Civil Disobedience Movement. 1935 Congress was busy in elections and hence it had missed its session in 1935. In 1941 there was negotiations between Congress and the British and there was a preparation for Quit India movement and the session could not be held in 1941 also. This was the crisp notes on the INC sessions. I hope all of you enjoyed the session. Thank you very much. Goodbye.